Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Mariah here. Today we are going to be talking about how you can make a free mock-up for your clients using CANVA. CANVA is one of my favorite free tools, and you can basically use it to do a lot of social media things, but today we're going to talk about mock-ups. So mock-ups are a great way to take the vision that you have in your head and put it visually so that the clients can kind of see what you're thinking for either your balloon garland or your backdrop or whatever. So today we're going to be showing a balloon garland. First, you're going to have your client take a photo of the space, and once you have that uploaded into CANVA, you can go ahead and get your circles in. So usually I'm going to go with 3 sizes of my circles. So I go ahead and kind of measure those out. So I have my variety of sizes just like I would in my garland. So I have a large, a medium, and a small. Then I'm gonna go ahead and change the opacity of each of these circles. I usually change it to about 75%. That way, when you put them all together as a garland, they kind of look a little bit more like balloons. So now I'm gonna start with the largest size, which I'm gonna put about 3 of those in this garland. I'm gonna spread them out so they're kind of in different spots, kind of see where I like it, see where I'm thinking the shape is gonna go. And then I'm gonna add in my mediums, which would probably be my like 10s, 11s, or 12s inch balloons. So I'm gonna start spreading those around. And as you can see, why I changed the opacity is so you can kind of see like the layering of the balloons. So right now I'm just kind of deciding the shape that I want. Sometimes you kind of just have to play around with where you want the balloons.
How you do balloons?
There's just a duplicate button, so you don't have to keep, bringing in a circle and then changing the opacity of it. You can just literally duplicate that one over and over again. That way you don't have to keep changing it. Now I'm going to put my minis in, basically kind of how I would in real life. Put them in the spaces or the holes in the garland, just kind of filling it out. Putting them in clumps, like 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, all that good stuff. Do a little variety and just kind of help to fill out the garland. Okay, and then as the last piece, we're gonna kind of change the colors. For this one, I just decided to go with 2 colors that kind of match with the space that it's going in, and I'm going to be color blocking. So I'm gonna start with pink, get a good chunk of the balloons in the pink color, and then I'm going to go ahead and kind of keep it kind of that mustardy color in the middle, and then end the other side with the pink. So doing these mock-ups are a great way to, like I said, show your client kind of your vision. Also, usually generally, clients love to see kind of ahead of time what it's gonna look like in the space and kind of how the colors are gonna match with the space. And honestly, it gets them pretty excited for the final product. So yeah, pretty easy. And then you can just go ahead and download that and send it away.